see.
This is funny. The tortoise and the hare race.
And Showers in the lead. Coming around the bend. Round two. Come on! Step it up! Go, 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 go! Where'd he go? He's already like right behind you.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Carrie is so far behind.
Just come lean up against the post. Lean up against it. Oh, she'll be here in about a half an hour.
Why'd you shake your butt? Shake your body.
Wait, what was it? I'm on the whole thing?
Twice.
Oh, I haven't crossed yet.
Woo! All right.
Rematch? Rematch. I'll go backwards, you go forward.